FastLink has more than 10 years of professional experience in SMT technology. We have 8 SMT lines with SMT production capacity of 20 million points per day, mainly for server mainboards, high-end industrial control, laptop, tablets, drones, automotive electronics, medical products, and other industries to provide services. Solder paste printing, SPI print detector, pick and place, reflow soldering, all-optical inspection, double inline package, functional testing, X-ray, conformal coating and product assembly. We have produced more than 300 cans of device bars. At least 5,000 cans of new products are approved every year. The factory all adopts double-track high-speed production equipment to realize automation and improve production efficiency. Lead to the defect rate of the solder points would be lower, which can save materials, energy, equipment, manpower, time, etc.